Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our diagonal kick or bit chagi in Korean.
Bit chagi, sir.
So, I want you to be very clear, there is a very big space here. So, bit, chagi.
Chagi.
Make sure that you really put that space in there so you don't accidentally say a swear. Alright, so this is our reverse round or diagonal kick or twist kick. There's like a few different names for it. So, how you load for this kick, you're going to start in your fighting stance. You're going to take your back leg and you're going to bring your heel to your knee. Kind of like you're playing hacky sack. Now I want you to imagine this is the bottom of the V. And now you're going to bring your leg up to the top part of the V. Yes, it is a very awkward kick. It is one of the only close range kicks that we perform in Tang Soo Do, and it's really good when you pull it off, but it is a hip twister. So he's going to bring that leg up to load, kick, and bring it back. Ready? Hi! 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 Opposite leg. Ready? Load. Bottom of the V. Bring it up to the top. Hi! Hey, good. And you notice how it's not a crescent. It stays in a straight line. That's the trickiest part of this kick. Keeping it in a straight line. Hi! 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 Good. And once on the target, I trust Mr. Durantis. I really do. So he's going to come up and he's going to diagonal kick that. Hey. But you notice how close I am to him. I'm doing that on purpose because this kick is designed to come up and get to the side of the face without getting your knee caught up in their body. Hi! 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 Good. And that is our diagonal. Here, I'll do one this way so you can see it. Hi! 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 Good. And that is our diagonal or bit chagi in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.